Top of the morning to ya. This is the Food Stranger, and today we're going to be making salmon 2 ways. I walked myself over to Whole Foods today and I got some garlic, herb and butter salmon, and they had a new flavor that I thought I'd test out. It's the Mango Coconut Salmon. It doesn't look too great, but maybe it will be alright. This bad boy, they gave it enough garlic to kill a vampire. Alright, let's cook these things and see how they turn out. Just throw it in your air fryer for 8 minutes at 400 degrees. It's quite simple. You just sit there and wait, and technology does the rest. Alright, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it did. Oh gosh, oh my gosh, those look very juicy. That's a lot of garlic, that's a lot of herbs. Yeah, that one looks a little sad, but you know, it might be alright. Oh man, I can't wait to eat this. Oh wow. Alright, let's open her up. Let's open her up and see what she's got inside. She might be a juicy little one, you never know. You never know. Oh, right, cooked to perfection. Every time. The Food Stranger always cooks it to perfection. You just can't. You can't deny. You can't deny it. Alright. Let's give her a little taste. Alright, let's see how she is. She looks good, but does she taste good? I'm trying to show you the food right here, but I'm having a hard time. This is the first time I ever did this. You got lighting, you got cooking. It's complicated stuff. Alright. Let's give her a taste. Oh yes. You know, we've been having a lot of vampires in the neighborhood recently, so I figured I'd get some garlic. You can never be too prepared. Oh yes. Let's just, yeah, oh, okay, one more bite. Oh, I lost it. Okay, let's get it. Okay, oh yes, that's juicy. That's pretty good. I give that an 8 out of 10. Alright, let's open this sad little thing up. You know, this is the piece of salmon that was picked last on the schoolyard. Picked last for kickball. But, you know, looks can be deceiving. So, let's give her a try. Let's see how she is. Oh, she's glistening. Look at that glisten. Oh my goodness. She looks alright, actually. Oh my gosh. Let's give her a try. Yeah, she's alright. No, I give her about a 6 out of 10. Anyways, I hope you guys like my video. Like, subscribe, share, you know, the whole 9 yards. If you're ever at Whole Foods, don't get the Mango Coconut Salmon, but do get the garlic, herb, butter salmon. It is quite juicy. Oh yes, quite juicy. Alright, everybody, have a nice day. See you next time on the Food Stranger.